Sake niyeke lento ukuthi umuntu uma ngabe kunodaba olumthintayo mase niqala phansi nikhuluma izinto zenu enizithandayo. Yini niyaqala yini ukubona abantu abathandanayo uma behlukana? Niyaqala? Hawu. Kahleni bo uthando phela kuyathandana kuphinde kuhlukane kakhulukazi uma kuneyinkinga. Yabona. Kodwa ke izinkinga ezenziwa abantu ngeke nize nilunge ingane zakwethu khohlwane. Ngeke nize nilunge noma ngenzani nenzeni mawukuthi kudaliwe ukuthi mina nalo nkosikazi wami lo wangempela kuzolunga.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, Andile Mxakaza, known as Fezile on Isibaya, Mzansi Magic, and Lady Do, the queen of Amapiano music, decided to end their relationship. They both took it to their social media page to share the news. Let's start with what Lady Do said. I'm not one for gossip, it bores me. This is from my heart. We did not break up, we follow our heart, and that meant separating before things went south. I've had numerous attacks from different people that I didn't even know. People making me uncomfortable because of culture. People attacking my character, scratching my cars. So I decided it's best I follow my heart and leave my relationship. We also realized we want different things. So we are both happy with the decision and we ask that you kindly respect it. It hasn't affected any of us. Let it not affect you or make you sad. It's life. We all need to live honest life. I love you, Wawa. And Andile guys also shared his side of story, and it reads, I'm sorry you never found peace in our relationship. I am proud how you stood your ground and never gave up even when you were attacked by people. I want you to find true happiness, and I am happy with the decision you made. You way stronger than you look. #iqiniso at Lady Do. Guys, it's so sad. It's just the beginning of the year, and yeah, this is what is happening to this couple, and their followers guys are even failing to accept their decision. People love them together. They are described as one of the funny couple with so much understanding of each other's character. But according to Lady Do, they both want different things. I, for one, guys, I used to watch their crazy videos and I'm so disappointed. Anyway, it is what it is. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.